Hey, you see this camera over here? We're filming a little music video. And I thought maybe we could film you guys and put you in the video with us. But first, I want to see like 500 people on top of each other's shoulders right now on the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, C, 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 yes, yes, gracias. Okay, we're gonna do Hail to the Victor, just the last chorus a few times, okay? And let me tell you something, the crazier you go, the more likely you're gonna be in this motherfucker, so let's do it. Keep that lights on the audience, so are you ready? Are you ready? Put your fucking hands up! If you got a cell phone, take it out and hold it up in the air.